In a world where expensive gym memberships and high-tech fitness fads rule, people often ignore the wealth of strength found in training methods that date back generations. The horse posture is a silent titan among the buzz of modern fitness trends, an age-old technique that is fundamental to traditional martial arts systems. It supports both mental and physical strength. The title horse stance refers to the similarity of the posture to that of a person riding a horse. It is more than just a name. In this video, we take you on a step-by-step trip to discover the surprising benefits of this exercise that appear easy. We also provide instructions on how to appropriately perform the horse posture so that you may avoid the dangers of poor practice and get the most out of it. Stay tuned for insights into ancient Kung Fu techniques. But first, subscribe to my channel to support me in making more videos related to health. Now, let's unravel the layers of advantages that come with integrating horse stance training into your daily routine. Strengthening the lower body. Horse stance training is essentially a symphony for strengthening the lower body. Targeting muscles from the quadriceps to the calves, maintaining this stance engages key muscle groups. As you continue, you will noticeably gain strength in your legs and hips, which is beneficial for athletes and anybody looking to improve their physical performance in a variety of sports. Endurance enhancement. The mental strength needed to maintain horse stance postures acts as a testing ground for tolerance development. The discipline gained from pushing through suffering goes beyond physical health and develops a mental strength that is useful in every aspect of life. In Chinese philosophy, horse stance training is akin to eating bitterness, symbolizing the endurance required for eventual health benefits, a bitter pill yielding resilience. 3. Balance and stability mastery. The key components of a strong foundation for physical activities are steadiness and balance. Training in the horse posture makes you more adept at maintaining your balance, which makes it a useful tool in martial arts, sports, and everyday life. It becomes a priceless tool that improves your balance and coordination in general. Flexibility promotion. The answer to a world where sitting downs are the norm is horse stance training. Through continuous contraction into a deep squat, this exercise promotes increased flexibility. Anticipate increased range of motion in your knees, ankles, and hips, protecting against injuries and improving your range of motion overall. Mental focus and discipline. Holding a horse stance isn't just a physical feat, it's a testament to mental focus and discipline. The sustained concentration required promotes patience, discipline, and the ability to quiet a bustling mind, a skill with far-reaching implications beyond the exercise mat. Stress reduction. The meditative nature of horse posture training provides a break from the constant stress of modern life. Tension is released and stress is replaced by a feeling of peace as you dedicate yourself fully to the present moment. Think of it as mental therapy, just as important as physical therapy. Versatility Unleashed. The beauty of horse stance training lies in its versatility. A highly adaptable exercise, it transcends the confines of gym schedules and elaborate equipment. Whether you integrate it into your morning routine, incorporate it during TV time, or embrace it as a brief respite from desk-bound monotony, horse stance training molds itself to your lifestyle. Before we move on to the practicalities of performing the horse stance, a crucial consideration is your footwear. Opt for shoes with a flat level sole to maintain balance and avoid incorrect weight distribution caused by elevated heels. Now, let's immerse ourselves in the proper technique. Begin with your feet together, raising your heels and pivoting them outward. Follow by raising your toes and turning your feet outward, then pivot on the toes to face them forward. The key is to lower your body by pivoting in the pelvic area, preventing your knees from advancing past your toes. Maintain a straight back and a partial posterior tilt of your pelvis, engaging the core. The distribution of weight should be 50-50 in each leg, concentrating in the center of each foot for optimal results. Sink low enough for your thighs to parallel the ground, an ideal height that ensures you derive maximum benefits from the exercise. For added assurance, consider placing a staff or rod across your thighs to gauge your depth. If, for some reason, you find yourself unable to descend as low into the horse stance initially, Fear not. Simply go as low as you can, and rest assured, even if you can't reach the parallel thigh position, you'll still experience the burn and feel the effects in your legs. Watch our video next to this video. Until the next piece.